Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of My Sixth Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 37. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Wen Zhao and Yulian. Since Zhao Zhao was still on the hospital, suddenly she wake up. Well, did you really punish her? Looking at Yulian, her face is really turning red. Now, she got really surprised. Said to Zhao Zhao, Su Wenzhou, why are you punishing me? She was holding her face. Probably, it was really hurt. Now, why suddenly Wenzhou does these things to her? Now, finally, Wenzhou, she got to realize, I don't know, it is you. So it turns out she thought that she was something else. That's why she gets her. Well, this girl, she's really getting tricky. Now, she's trying to console her sister. You said that you may not come here to talk at night. What is soft on you? Wen Zhao is asking Yulian. It seems that Yulian, she goes straight after the meeting with Mr. Li. Now, Wen Zhao said to her, you smelled wings. You have perfume and cosmetic. Now, she was laughing. Where did Yulian goes? Now, looking at her face, it seems that she's not going to tell her. She must have gone to social occasions like nightclubs. Where are your earrings? It may fall into the car when he came back, and I will look at it tomorrow when I go to work. Now, she's trying to hide it, right? In addition to seeing Miss Lee tonight, who else did you meet? It was Miss Lee. She brought someone over. I don't know who the other's party was. After we finished our meal, we went to the KTV to chat with the contract. So finally she told her. Yulian said Assistant Shang is already there, and she also called some other people from the head of office of Miss Lee. Now, Wenzhou said to her, is she young? It is beautiful. Oh, is she really getting jealous? Right now, looking at Yulian, she told her that she is pretty. Wenzhou said to her, do you like her? Who doesn't like it? Well, this is really not good. For sure, Wenzhou, she is really getting jealous right now. Some time ago, my sister publicly admitted that she was having an affair with me. Now, looking at her situation, it was really unavoidable to have a social gathering. Of course, right now, she can really understand that. Miss Su, look at this. But many of the daughters in the city still do not give up. Even the pleasantries of the company's film and television department suggested that Su Yulian can accept unspoken roles. Well, now my sister is actually complimenting a good-looking partner who doesn't know each other. Now, Su Yulian, Wenzhou is calling her. Is she really getting jealous? Is she really getting mad? Well, probably right now. Looking at her, she moved closer to her. Am I dreaming? Why does Su Wen call my name in full? Wen Zhao, call me sister. No, it really makes sense. It seems that she was really getting jealous. Now, Yulian, she was really in trouble. Wen Zhao, she moved closer to her. Yulian, she doesn't know what's going to happen. It said what? But for Wen Zhao, she really moved closer to her. Is she whispering something? It seems that she's going to punish her. That's what it should be. To mark my sister, just leave the brand and become my private property. Oh, this girl. She's really getting tricky. Well, definitely. From being timid, she become aggressive. Miss Su's body has not healed. Please control it. I am not. Don't you? Don't you want to spread rumors about me? Yulian, she was scolding her. Well, she's really been caught, and now it really makes sense. How do you go to work like this? Wenzhou said, what's wrong with me? Why? Because I don't let you to get back on me. So, don't be angry. Now, Wenzhou, she's trying to coax her. But Yulian said to her, just eat well and don't bite me again next time. Then, if I bite something, I can see we still be angry. Now, Yulian said to her, maybe. Well, definitely these two. They're really sweet to each other. Julian suddenly realized how did she learn to play straight pose recently. Now, she thought to herself that she's the only one who's gonna do it. But it turns out Wen Zhao, she is much trickier on her. Back to the office, everyone is missing Su and Zhao. Well, definitely these two. Hey, I really miss Miss Su. Seeing Su Yulian is only the one who's arriving on the company. The other employees are really missing Su and Zhao. Special Assistant Shang have been pushed all the external meetings of our company today. Yes, there are no meetings for the other companies and reservation in advance are all tomorrow. It seems that she is really free tonight. Assistant Shang said to her, "So, are you together now?" Yulian said to her, "Together? Well, technically, they always been together." Well, let's see. This time, who is the person they're going to meet? In the years we have been entangled with each other, everything has passed by in confusion. Even if Suwen and others normally disconnected ambiguously. Now, looking at her, she really kept thinking. I subconsciously think, how much can Suwens love each other? Is it bound to separate in the end? Even occasionally, I would think dearly, as long as Suwens can live. So, I have no fear. I've been reckless, but did Suwen think? Now, she really kept herself thinking. Until now, it's Sol Yulian. Is she really getting worried about this? Maybe she is, even though it doesn't matter. No, no. What is like? Well, it's like a scumbag. Oh, it turns out Assistant Shang is too. Their coordination is really good. So now, many people outside the world pay attention to your relationship, considering that the company is good and easy to recover. Word of mouth and sound my suggestion is to give the public a clear position. Now, it really makes sense to Julian. Looking at the visitor, she was already sitting on the couch. So, this is surprising. Why suddenly this girl come back alone? Did she really like Julian? That's why she came back for her. Liu Si, what is she doing here? Is she demonstrating to me? Well, it seems that it was really interesting. But looking at this girl, she looks really mischievous, right? See, what will happen next? Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thank you for joining membership today. Nadja and Nadja are residential. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.